Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. So this is a Harris Teeter shop trip. It is super doubles this week at my grocery store called Harris Teeter. If you are new to my channel, that means that every day on a normal day, Harris Teeter will double their coupons 99 cents or less. So my 50-cent coupons double to $1. My 99-cent coupons double to $1.98. When they have what's called a super doubles, anything up to $2 will double. So my dollar coupons double to $2. My $1.50 coupons double to $3. My $2 coupons double to $4. So I always shop as much as I can on a super doubles week, trying to stock up. It would appear that this week coffee is the name of the game because coffee deals are amazing. If you are a coffee person, please do not walk but run on over to your local Harris Teeter, because I am telling you, today was a Shakema day. I rolled up in there like a boss and got my deals. If you have not gotten your deals, I suggest that you run over there and get your deals. So let me break it down for you really quickly. So this is Starbucks caramel flavored K-Cups. These were $6.99. I had a $2 off coupon that doubled to $4. I got 10 K-Cups for $2.99. The instant coffees, again, these were buy one get one free at $7.99. So one was $4. There was a $1.50 off coupon that doubled to $3. So I paid $1 for this. Okay, you guys, so this deal, I actually went looking for coupons. I knew that I had some coupon friends that had sent me some stuff. And my Texas coupon friend, I found all of your coupons that my kids, I think they was hiding them from me. They should be ashamed. But I found them. The Lord has led me to the coupon stash. So I went and found all of my coupon deals. So this is the cold brew coffee. It was $4.99 and the coupon was buy one get one free. So it was on sale $4.99. So it rang up. I got my deal off, but when they took it off buy one get one free, they took it off of its regular price, which is $6.99. So actually I got all 4 of those boxes for free. Don't ask me why because the girl did it yesterday and it didn't register in my mind, like, why is she doing that? The same different store. I was at a whole nother store, different store today, and the girl did the same thing. She took off the regular price, not the sale price. So I'll take it. I'm gonna take my deals. This was the Starbucks espresso roast, $6.99. I had a $2 off coupon that doubled to $4. I paid $6.99. I had a $2 coupon that doubled to $4. I paid $2.99 for this. I'm gifting this to someone. Then they had these Dunkin' Donuts iced coffees. Now on the back of these, if you can look at the carbs, it's 44 grams of carbs. So Shakema will not be drinking these because that's not on my plan for keto. However, I'm going to gift these. The Lord was really speaking to me when I was in there getting my deals, and he said, Shakema, you haven't gifted anything in quite a while. So I was like, okay, Lord. These were $2.79. I had a $1.25 off coupon that doubled to $2.50. I paid 29 cents each for these, and we can use up to 3 coupons. So I got 3 of those. My manager had to come over and key them in because they didn't want to scan, but it said on any Dunkin' Donuts item. It didn't have this pictured on the coupon, but it said on any Dunkin' Donuts item, and he looked it over, no problem. So these here ragu sauces were $1.88 each. There was $1 off of 2 coupon, so that doubled to $2. They were 88 cents each. The poise pads, again, $4.99. I had a $2 off coupon that doubled to $4. I paid 99 cents for this. And then these Juicy Juice Fruitful Organic juice boxes, I got these for my mom because she has trouble with holding open cups, so this just has a straw. And so this was $3.99, but it was buy one get one free on a clearance, so $2. I had a $1.50 off, and so this was free. So free, and everything else was close to free. Let me show you my receipt and how much I paid. Alrighty, you guys, so my balance was $17.07. Manufacturer's coupons, I had $28.73. Double coupons at $7.99. Big savings was $31.76 for a total coupon savings of $68.48, and I had 81% savings. So double coupons I used were 5 double coupons, but I used it was more than 5. I had a coupon for everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I had 10 coupons. I don't know why that didn't come off right, but anywho, that is my deal of the day. 81% savings is very much how I like to shop. Fuel points, I got 58 fuel points on this order, so I have 272 fuel points that I have to use by the end of June, which that'll get me almost close to 30 cents off per gallon. So anywho, just wanted to share those quick deals with you. Get out there, get your deals, people. Do not sleep on Harris Teeter if you have one in your neighborhood. We're getting ready to do a freezer challenge, and I need to really stock up and get my deals. So here it is, $17.07. I'm going to be gifting this. I'm gifting this. This is for my mom, and the rest of this is just stock up. So thank you guys so much for stopping by, and we'll see you next shop haul. Bye now.